Hi viewers, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Have you ever heard of a crop that can give you fiber, oil, CBD and help the planet? Today, we are diving into fast-growing world of hemp farming, a golden opportunity for smart and sustainable agriculture. Let's explore how you can start your own hemp farm step by step. First things first, what is hemp and why is everyone talking about it? Hemp is a cousin of cannabis, but don't worry, it won't get you high. It contains less than 0.3% THC, which makes it legal for industry use in many places. It's used to make rope, textiles, oils, health supplements, and even eco friendly plastics. Fun fact, hemp grows fast, uses less water than cotton, and needs fewer chemicals, making it a win win for farmers and the environment. Not all hemp is the same. Pick your plant based on your goal. Fiber hemp for rope, cloth, paper, and construction. Seed hemp for edible seeds and nutritious oil. CBD hemp for wellness products, which is high in demand. Tip: research your market before choosing the variety, it makes all the difference. Hemp loves well drained, loamy soil with a pH of 6 to 7.5. Do a soil test first. Amend your land with compost or lime if needed, and till the soil to remove weeds. Young hemp doesn't like competition. Give it a clean start. Time to get your hands dirty. Late spring, when the soil hits 10 degrees Celsius, is the best time to plant. Sow seeds 1 inch deep, spaced depending on the variety. For CBD hemp, you can also use clones if you want consistent results. Quick tip: seeds are cheaper. For large farms, clones are great for high value CBD crops. Hemp is tough, but young plants need water. If you get decent rain, minimal watering is fine. In dry areas, use drip irrigation or sprinklers. Avoid overwatering. Hemp hates soggy feet. Here's when to harvest based on what you grow. Fiber hemp in 70 to 90 days when stalks mature. Seed hemp when 70 to 80% of seeds are ready. CBD hemp around 90 to 120 days when resin is rich. Be gentle during CBD harvest. Rough handling can lower oil quality. Now comes the value up. Fiber needs retting to loosen fibers. Seeds dry, cleaned and store or press into oil. CBD dry flowers and extract oil using safe methods. Hemp is more than just a crop. It's a green revolution waiting for farmers to join. With multiple income streams and eco-friendly benefits, it's a smart choice for those looking to diversify and future-proof their farm. Like, share this video and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more farmer-friendly tips. Until next time, happy hemp farming.